everyone, I'm Chad, and today I'm taking part in the Making Time podcast No Forge Challenge. Now, the idea of the challenge is to make or use equipment that you have around the house that is not professional in order to actually forge a piece of steel. So I've never done anything like this. The only thing I've ever done is take a class in forging. So I actually assembled my own forge, and I got a free piece of steel from my local steel distributor. It's a 50-pound piece of steel. I have just a, I guess it's called Roughneck brand cross peen hammer. So on one face it's slightly rounded, and on the back side it's a cross. So it's cross peen hammer. Again, I don't know a lot about this stuff, but that doesn't mean I can't try. So I went to my local Goodwill. I picked up a $2 hair dryer to increase the temperature or heat that's in this coal-fired forge that I made. This is just the top of an old propane tank that I cut off. And I've got just lump charcoal in here that I picked up for about 10 bucks. So I've got 2 and 10, and then I already had this, but if I had to go buy it, it's probably 15, 16 bucks. And I already had a pair of pliers, which I'm going to use to hold the metal when I get to the point that I need to hold it. So let's get started. I'm kind of excited. Wow, I had no idea that I was going to be able to start it that quick. I just used some lint from our dryer, put it underneath there, and with the combination of the airflow coming in, looks like I've got a pretty good fire started. So we'll let this heat up for a few minutes, and hopefully that's all it will take to get this metal going. Oh my goodness, it's working. I don't know if that's hot enough yet. Let's just see. Look at that, I'm moving some metal. That cooled down a lot quicker than I was expecting it to, but let's keep going.
I've been going through changes, rough and dark as night. Though life rearranges, I'll be alright. A single care, a big smile on my face. No one There's a willow tree where we used to meet up, my baby and me. It's such a long time ago that I kissed you on that swing. Now I don't know about you, but I remember everything. Oh, I'm walking on air whenever you are here with me. Oh, I'm walking on air. Been a long time coming, but finally, how the evening light and the long shadows fell. Golden hair across your face and the way that you smell. Call it serendipity, providence, or fate. Sometimes good things come to those who wait. Oh, I'm walking on there whenever you are here with me. Oh, I'm walking on there. Been a long time coming, but finally. I'm walking on there whenever you are here with me. Oh, I'm walking on there. Been a long time coming, but finally. Said I'm walking on air. Oh, whenever you're near. Oh, it's been a long time coming, but finally, finally.
Well, there it is, my very first blacksmithing project, all on my own. I think that it turned out okay. Wasn't exactly what I had set out to do. Initially, I was going to make a leaf with a hook, and in the end, I think it looks a lot more like a chameleon with a hook tail. But in the end, it does what I want it to do, and that is hold my welding jacket in my workshop. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, or actually if you have any suggestions, please put them down below in the comments. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. As always, have a great day.